and no complaints or negative feedback have been received since the product's launch. Within a day of using it, your blood sugar level will drop. Sugar cravings are reduced. You do not need to spend 60 minutes doing dull exercises because this product has been scientifically proven, and study has been conducted before to its release. You'll also receive 5 exciting freebies, including a 7-day meal plan and grocery list, as well as foods for diabetes, how to read a food label, a carb count cheat sheet, and alcohol that actually works. And now, some of the certain side effects or disadvantages we are about to discuss. If you are taking any medication for other issues, just get advice from the author or medical advices. Now it's time for the big surprise for those of you who are preparing to purchase this product from zPanda. Yes, you will receive a significant amount of premium content for free. The Gaia Originals series, Transcendence, is a worldwide hit that has forced a total reconsideration of human history. Its 2 sessions include all 10 episodes for free. To claim that free bonus is very simple as that, after purchasing this product, from the link listed below, in the description and, as well as in the first comment section of this video. Simply, take a screenshot, and send it to the zPanda official Instagram mentioned below. Whatever product you have, without action, it becomes useless. Only action takers have achieved and conquered everything in this world. Are you one of those action takers, or are you simply procrastinating and returning to your boring lifestyle? We are waiting on the other side with all the benefits and premium bonuses for those who have promised themselves to change their lives by taking actions. I hope all your doubts cleared and keep safe. Bye, until next time.